In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install Binance app on your Android smartphone from Google Play Store. If this helps, please like and subscribe to my channel. Alright, so if you're trying to install your Binance app, but each and every time you're told can't install on your smartphone, then follow these steps. So in the first method, you need to go ahead and open your Play Store app and make sure you are logged into your Play Store account before you try to download your app. So if you are not logged in, you might experience challenges installing Binance app. However, if you're logged in with your Gmail account but can't install this, then tap on your profile icon and scroll down to settings. Now under settings, head over to network preferences and tap on this, then choose app download preference. And here go ahead and choose the first option over any network. This will allow you to install Binance app using any network that you are using. Once you're done, now tap on OK. Then go ahead and try and install Binance app by searching it. However, should this not work, then you need to go ahead and look for Play Store app under settings and go to the app info page. Alternatively, the easiest way to go to the Play Store app info page is just to long press on it, and you should see we have the name of the app here or app info. So if you tap on app info, you'll be taken to Google Play Store app information page. Go ahead and tap on clear data here and then choose clear cache and then choose OK. Once this is done, now restart your smartphone, and now here you should be able to install Binance app. So if I go ahead and search for Binance and tap on install, you can see now the installation process is on. So that's how you can fix can't install Binance app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.